Here we go, CNC Group Break number 4750, 1415 in the game Ultimate Vault. 5-box break. So good luck, everybody. We've got a cool start. Alright, we start with an Ultimate Second Bloodlines Triple Jersey. Brett Hall, Dennis Hall, and Bobby Hall. Always goes without saying these are all one-of-ones. Brett Hall, Dennis Hall, Bobby Hall, Bloodlines. We've got an Ultimate 12th Cup Finals Quad Jersey. Patrick Waugh, Guy Carbonneau, Mike Vernon, and Lanny. Patrick Waugh, Guy Carbonneau, Mike Vernon, Lanny McDonald, and we've got an Ultimate Second Goal-Scoring Leaders Game Used Jersey, Wayne Gretzky. Well, hello there. Wayne Gretzky. Whoever that guy is. One yay. Alright, we've got an Ultimate 5th Scrapbook Autograph, Bobby Hull. Bobby Hull, Ultimate 5th Scrapbook Auto. Really like those cards. We've got an Ultimate 11th 2-color Hot Patch, Rick Nash. Rick Nash. And we've got an Ultimate Second Legend Dual Jersey, Terry Sawchuk and Patrick Waugh. Doing alright so far. Terry Sawchuk, Patrick Waugh. Is this going to be one of those ones where I'm going to wonder aloud after the break why this didn't fill quicker? Because it's shaping up that way. It's one of the guys you'd want. Yeah. We've got an Ultimate 8th Franchises Triple Jersey. Vinny LeCavalier, Martin St. Louis, and Steven Stamkos. LeCavalier, St. Louis, Stamkos. We've got a 2011 Fall Expo Franchise Quads. Quad Jersey, Ed Jackman, Rod Gilbert, Brad Park, and Vic Hatfield. Rangers Quad. And we've got an Ultimate 5th Heroes Jersey, Steve Yzerman. Stevie Wonder. Stevie Yzerman. Box 4. Ooh. I should have joined this draft. Alright, we've got an Ultimate 4th Nameplates, Steve Yzerman. Steve Yzerman, Ultimate Nameplate. We've got an Ultimate 10th Brotherly Love Dual Jersey, Phil and Tony Esposito. Bill and Tony Esposito. Oh, that's nice. And we've got an Ultimate First 3-color emblem, Joe Sakic. 3-color Ultimate First emblem, Joe Sakic. That's a nice card, and the fact that it's Ultimate 1 makes it even better. Are we serious right now? What? We've got 2010 Fall Expo Top 10 two-color jersey, Steve Yzerman. Steve Yzerman. We've got an ultimate 5th day in hockey history jersey and skate, Brian Trottier and Toe Blake. Brian Trottier, Toe Blake. And we've got an ultimate 5th Heroes Teammates dual jersey, Patrick Waugh and Larry Robinson. Patrick Waugh, Larry Robinson. So there we go, boys and girls. Draft order coming up next.